The independent variables are the x values. So our range is our output values. Which is also our dependent variables. Our dependent variable depends on our independent variables. So let's look at example 3. Mary earns $7 per hour for babysitting after school and on Saturday. She works no more than 16 hours a week. So our independent variable is the number of hours she works. So our dependent would be how much she makes. Because how much she makes depends on how many hours she works. So the domain, she can work anywhere from 0 hours to 16 at most. So if we look at our range, if she works 0 hours, she's making $0. Where she can make as most of, if she works for 16 hours, 16, and she makes $7 an hour, she can make at most $112. So let's complete the table and write a function rule. So if we take a look, we're adding 14 each time. So if we're adding 14, and I take 38 and I add 14, I know I'm going to end up with 52 if I plugged in a 4. And if I add another 14, I'm going to be at $66. So to write a function rule, so this is the number of hours we were practicing and the total cost we have to spend. So we have to pay $14 for every hour. So if I take a look at this, if I do 14 times 1, I get 14. It only costs us 10. So I subtract 4. 14 times 2 is 28, but when I subtract 4, I get my 24. So this is my function rule. Number 5, the graph models the relationship between the cost and storage capacity of memory sticks. Cost of a memory stick. So we want to know what is the independent value. So the independent value is our memory. How many gigabytes we can get. The dependent is our cost. However much it costs depends on what we buy. Is the relationship a function? Yes, it is.